What's up, YouTube? You know who it is, Nelo Blendz, aka the Kemei King. Finally, the wait is over. The Kemei 1949 detailer blade modification. Man, this project was so fun. But I do want to add, I know some people watch my videos because of blade and clipping modifications, but others watch it because of the reasons of learning how to cut hair. So if you think this is one of those videos where you learn how to cut hair, I do not want to waste your time. This is not one of those. This is specifically a modification video. So for you, those of you who's tuning in, I really hope you enjoy this project. So let's go ahead and dig right into it. To start this project off, we're going to take our original blade that's on the trimmers, but we're only going to be keeping the black adapter piece. Next, with a flathead screwdriver, we're going to remove this bracket that's keeping this adapter piece stuck to the blade. Okay, in our next step, you see these two circular tubes that's sticking out? Well, we want to remove that so our adapter piece can sit flush against the blade. And to do that, we're just going to use a simple box cutter. Because we want the smoothest surface as possible, we're going to grab a file and we're going to file down the area that we just cut off. Okay, this is the time that we want to pay attention to our wall detailer LR blade. The two screws that I'm pointing to are adjustment screws, and that's what we're going to try to line these holes up with. That way we can have the right calibration for our system. Two things we want to pay attention to while making our hole is these vertical lines that's on this adapter piece, and also these circle indentions, but we're going to put it right on top of the circle indent, and that's where we're going to mark our holes. The hole that's at the top of this adapter piece is only there of a point of emphasis of what not to do. Another good tip while making our pilot holes, we want to use the smallest drill bit possible. That way we can have a more accurate point of where we put it at. And then go up to the 1/8. I'm slowing this video down just to show you guys exactly where the hole should be. Another tip that I would suggest is to use a circular file so that you can have a more accurate hole while lining these up with the adjustment screws. As you can see, the two holes that I created, they line up exactly perfectly and flush with the screws that's already on the detailer LR blades. This is the original adapter piece that comes with the wall detailer blades. So we're going to replicate this last piece, this triangle piece that I'm showing you guys. It's the piece that's going to actually move the blade. But before we can do that, we need to file down this little piece that's sticking out of the detailer LR blade. To replicate the pivot part that's on the original adapter, I used a gift card right above the strip that I'm showing you guys. And you want to make sure it just fits the whole area, as you can see in the video. On this last part, I used Gorilla Super Glue and I put it inside this little cove. And also I'm going to put a strip on side of the piece that we created on the blade. And we're going to press them against each other, and that's what's going to create our adapter piece, and we can use it on multiple blades. And of course you want to add pressure while waiting on this piece to dry. While I'm waiting on these clippers to dry, this is a good time to introduce my next set of trimmers. And these are the Rosea trimmers. I brought these off of eBay. As you can see, they're cordless. They have a charging stand, but they do not take the wahl blades. But I think I have an idea of how I wanted to modify these clippers. And also, if you guys have some trimmers or clippers out there that you want me to modify, I'm up for the challenge. So make sure that you leave a comment. Also make sure that you subscribe. And I'd like to know how y'all came out with this project and if they was hitters like mine were. So guys, this is Nelo Blendz. Thank you guys for watching. Please check into my next video as I will be dropping very soon. I am out.